hi guys.
Hi.
Good morning, Westside. It's Miss Phillips here, and I am coming to you from my backyard. We are gonna walk around, see what we can find related to ecology. So remember, you guys, on your nature walk today, you need to look for abiotic and biotic factors. So the abiotic is the non-living. So we've got the sun, we got some water, dirt, rocks. Your biotic is your living. Bird just flew by right there. I'm sure we've got some grass. If we look closely, we might be starting to see some buds come in on some of these trees. I'm gonna try not to fall in the water. See, you got buds coming in on the trees there. My kiddos want to explore through the little creek here since there's no big tree branches right now in the way. I'm gonna hope I don't fall, and maybe we'll come across something cool.
While you get up.
I got it. If you see any living things, guys, point them out to my students. We've got some non-living trash. I think we need to get out here and pick that up.
Yeah. Easton, we can probably see.
I'm looking down in here around these rocks. Not really seeing too many bugs, but I also don't want to get dirty and overturn everything.
I see
What are you
something.
seeing?
Ooh. That's just a leaf.
We have a feather down here. We got some evidence of living things, so that's good.
There's another feather. It's like something was.
I'm not sure where they're taking me. They come back here all the time. I usually don't.
Look, there's sewers. Yeah, it's where the water comes from.
I am here with them though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we need to come back there.
What?
Don't fall! Don't fall! You scared me! A soda can!
Oh goodness.
It's cool. And we can go back up there and around over there.
Um,
too. Mom, we can go
we
over
can.
there too.
While you're looking for living things, oh, here's some birds, but I don't see them.
Oh, there's Abby and Elodie.
Think about the trophic levels, guys. Remember that your producers,
Hi!
okay,
Hi!
are your plants, things like that.
Hi!
Then within your
Oh, who is that?
consumers, you have your herbivores that eat plants,
A plant!
your carnivores that eat meat,
Uh-oh.
your omnivores that eat both.
Oh, whoa.
You have your decomposers, like your
Another plant
mushrooms,
over here.
that are busy breaking things down. Detritivores that feed on dead stuff, decaying matter. And then your scavengers
Wow.
that are going to
Owie.
be picking up on the stuff that's left over by some of your bigger
Whoa.
carnivores. So see, there's the back of our house there. We just came up this little creek path and I almost fell.
You actually fell in your bike.
Yeah, I did. Unfortunately, it's a little chilly, so there's not much out right now besides birds. But maybe you'll have better luck in your backyard. If you do,
Ooh, what's this?
please share it with me. Let me know. And if this is something that you think you would enjoy, you know, as a way to study science at home but still with me, let me know. And I'll keep doing these. So have a great day. I'll see you all soon, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Have a good day, guys.